The second song, Halalu, is a very, very special song. And the story behind that song is, when I was around 18 years old, I ran away from home. And I went to live with my aunt, my mother's cousin. That's how far I ran away from home, down the road. And my aunt lived on the beach, and when it came dinner time, she would go out into the ocean and catch fish. And she'd bring that fish back, and we'd lomi that fish with some seaweed and a little chili pepper, and we'd eat that with poi. And that inspired me to write this song called Halalu.
Ke koho polole a tuli a